Hi guys, I want to show you how to make this super cool needle plane. I call it the needle. It shoots very far, and if you want to get this tip off, I'll show you how to do that too. First, fold something like this. Don't forget to crease the sides, okay? Then do it like this. Once more, do it again. And then you're gonna have to fold it in half. Just like this. And then you're gonna have to tweak it a little bit. Then tweak it like this. Then again fold it like it has some muscles. See it? Dun dun dun. Now for the test flight. Hold up. Hold up. Don't go yet, guys. Hey, Virginia. Hey. Bye.